Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best foldable drone on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Swedzy Wing 6 foldable drone. Let's get started. Product features: GPS one-click return. Built-in GPS allows the drone to return to its takeoff point automatically. It triggers return during low battery or lost signal, improving flight safety. Intelligent GPS tracking. The drone can follow a selected subject automatically, perfect for capturing action shots without constant manual control. Gesture recognition control. Supports gesture photos within 1 to 3 meters. Raise your hand or make a gesture, and the drone instantly takes photos hands-free. Multi-point route planning. Allows preset flight paths for autonomous flying, helping pilots focus on capturing video while the drone handles navigation. Fixed point surround mode. Circles around a chosen point smoothly, creating dynamic panoramic footage with simple joystick or app control. Aircraft retrieval map. Triple tap the GPS icon to access a map showing the drone's last known coordinates, helping locate the aircraft if it goes out of sight. 4K adjustable camera. Equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera that captures crisp photos and videos with adjustable angles for better framing. Easy media sharing. Photos can be shared individually or in batches, while videos are shared one at a time. Music can be added for enhanced presentation. Intelligent lithium battery. Powered by an 11.55-volt plug-in intelligent battery that ensures stable, long flight time for extended shooting sessions. Pros: advanced GPS functions. One-click return for safety. Gesture photo mode. Autonomous flight path planning. 4K high-resolution camera. Portable foldable body. Smart battery for stable flight. Cons: videos can only be shared individually. Strong winds may reduce stability. App features may vary by region. Final thought: the Swedzy Wing 6 foldable drone blends intelligent GPS flight, hands-free controls, and stunning 4K imaging in a compact design. It's perfect for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want professional features without complexity. Take your aerial shots to the next level. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful content.